Hello guys, 9 days after putting our watermelon seed in the nursery tray, and they are all up, grown like this and ready for transplanting. We'll be transplanting on the 10th day, which is tomorrow, as at the time I'm recording this video. We've already transplanted them. I'm just doing a video about it. This is 9 days old watermelon seedlings that are ready for transplanting. Not all germinated, as you can see in the tray, but we do some replacement after transplanting. So this is 9 days after the nursery. We started our nursing for the watermelon, and after 9 days, this is what we have, and we'll transplant them tomorrow. Stay tuned and I'll keep you updated. Bye for now.